Well, it's about 5:40 in the morning, and I'm standing out here in front of Morningstar, waiting for the pickup from Raja and the Whales. And it's a nice, humid morning. The full moon was just last night, I believe, the night before. So we're gonna go hopefully check out some whales. They have all different kinds in this part of the Indian Ocean, and so hopefully we'll have a really good day today. Doing this single-handed. Barbara has got some kind of stomach thing, so she's not feeling good, so we won't see any of Barbara today. I regrettably am going, but she insisted that I go because she knows how much I like this stuff. And she's a good girl. So the tuk-tuk driver for Raja is here right on time. They were wondering about two people, of course. I have a cancellation policy. We're making our way down to the port. I'll get the name of the road later, but I did a screenshot of the Google Maps. And it's a typical neighborhood street here. So I just arrived at Roger at the Whales and the Whales. It's just like their picture from on their website. And I'm gonna go get checked in.
What are these?
Do they make you sleepy? They make you sleepy.
So one is okay, I think one is handleable.
Yeah. Okay. Josh, do you have your passport? Your passport number.
Alright.
I read the money.
Alright, thanks. In Netherlands? Oh? Yeah, it's 145. Oh.
Yeah.
188.
So the people in front of me are doing the check-in. So we're starting to make our way down to the port. You can see all kinds of other boats for fishing, tours, leisure. In the event of an emergency, pull the tabs to activate the life vest. You may also inflate the vest by blowing into the tubes. Glad I paid attention on those many flights. They offer breakfast. They're getting people coffee and tea. I just wanted water because I had my coffee at the hotel this morning. So we're heading out. There's another whale watching expedition behind us. Beautiful morning. There's a nice lighthouse up here. I got my full breakfast now. So I ordered a Sri Lankan omelet with sausage. Looks very tasty. And they said that there was some whales spotted ahead just a minute ago, and I was wondering how I was going to eat this and check the whales out at the same time, but I'll wolf this down and make it happen. The only time I actually got to see a whale was through this drone footage, and they really come up and surface very quickly and dive back down. After this, I have a newfound appreciation for helicopter pilots trying to land their aircraft on a rolling ship.
Small school, yeah. They change, we're gonna dive now for feeding this. Dive. They dive already, now we dive. Now other side, right side.
You gotta grab a tuk-tuk to get home, or at least a morning star. And I'm glad to see some smell-o-vision. The smell of fish is pretty strong. Looks a little bit different mid-morning, but I'm back, and we go recount the day adventure with Barbara.